Hello everyone. If you have cucumbers, do this carving. Very simple to make your salad place attractive. Don't you think it looks beautiful? Please come to the kitchen with me. I show you how. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. So I take a cucumber and cut on the diagonal, and then I split it into two, and then I slide them. You just need a few, not so many, because your flour, it depends on your plate. I have the big plates here, but I experiment on the cotton ball first, and if I do two here is pretty big, so I do one big, and I will do one smaller and one bud, and maybe we will do a butterfly. You can see it's so simple. Just cut slices and you present it on the plate. So to make the stamina in the center, I cut the skin of my radish, and there you have it. Very simple and fast to make. Now, because I don't have enough room on my plate, so the second flower will be smaller, so I cut off a little bit. And you can see it will be smaller size of the flower. If you want to trim more, you can. It depends on your plate. Again, I cut off the skin of my radish and make the flower, and you can see, so simple and fast. Now, to make it more interesting, I cut off the skin of cucumber, and I will do the stems. See, that is stuck my stem, and this is connection to the other flower. This is very free form. You can do wherever you think the stems will go. I just do like I imagine they are in the wall. I will do another stem out that way or this way. I decided to do this way so that it have a curving movement that I think it look better. So the same way that we have the slices before, instead of making the big flower, now I use a few of them and make the bud. It's very fun when you make something, especially you show it to your people, your children will love it. When I was in Vietnam, I attended a class of carving, food carving, and we made a lot of intricate design like a beautiful swan. Now I don't have time and patience to do on that thing, but I can still do some small, simple. So this will be my butterfly. I cut the 4 slices straight off. If you want more realistic, you can do 2 slices bigger than the other 2. But I think that I don't mind about having them the same size. I just need to decorate it a little bit by making some dots on their fly. If you have a tweezer, it will help a lot to pick up the pieces, but I get around without using tweezer. There we have flies. Now, I mean the wings. Now I will make the body of the butterfly. You keep watching me finish my butterfly. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Please like, share my video for many people to have it. I have passion for food, for baking, cooking, and gardening, home improvement, and everything in between. If I know anything, I share it with you here. I spend a lot of time blending, making, cleaning, writing recipes, testing, editing the video, making video. So a lot of work, but that's my dedication. Try to share with you on everything I know. So I need your support. Thank you. Alright, so they have antennas now. Okay, that's it. You see, it's so fast to make and very simple. Now, because I want to place the salad on the plate, So I remove the other flower, and this one only one flower and one bud and the butterfly. The rest will be the salad. The salad will be bulgur wheat with calabaza, sauté calabaza with onion, and the salad goes with raw green bell pepper and green onion. If you want recipe, I will write down if you ask. If you want the recipe, in the meantime, I have some vegetarian recipe in my channel because my husband is vegetarian and I cook for him every day. He eat this and he loved this. He loved it. He said it's so flavorful, and I'm glad that I can make something good for him. For the one I care and love, is that our purpose in life, to care for people. That's it. You can see the salad now with the cucumber decoration. It looks attractive and eye-catching. To make it greener, I go around with green bell pepper and green onion around on the edge. And that's it. It's ready for him. The good thing about the flower and the butterfly, it's fun that he can eat it too. I think that if your children has this, they would like to eat the salad. And this is another presentation with the rose. You need to come back to see how I make roses. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.